Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying the new MRE thing. Oh,
Goody goody go!
this is my friend. What do I call you? Okay, his name is Candy Cobs. I don't know how to say. I don't know if I said it right. So we're gonna be trying these out right now. So yeah, here we're gonna see what they do.
I hope I don't get diabetes.
Alright, let's try it. Whoa! Ah!
Oh my god!
He's an overreacting.
What?
You're overreacting.
I'm going to tickle you.
Yo. Alright, guys. So, that's the video. Short. So, yeah. See you guys.
Are you putting
on the
that
next
as a
video.
short or a video?
Bye.